I truly believe that Chainlink can get pretty close, if not break the $100 point this parabolic altcoin season, and let me go over the reasons why I believe that. My name's EQ. I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade since 2021. And if you're interested in checking out or joining the Epic Trading Floor, I'll tag the link in the description as well as the video. You can sign up for free, and with the all access pass, you get 3 days for free to try everything out. Now you can see Chainlink on the daily. We've been consolidating the last few months, which is a really good thing to see on the daily. We also have a double bottom. We swept liquidity twice. We've been able to hold. And we're starting to see good volume inflow, which are all great things to see long term. And in my personal opinion, I think that Chainlink is the widely most crypto project and crypto utility asset in terms of all the utility. You have to remember that they're the main bridge between blockchain and internet with oracles and nodes. They also have CCIP, which allows blockchain to blockchain communication and transactions. And they've also started to integrate the ability to use stablecoins to pay for gas fees on multiple different blockchains and ecosystems. So I do think that there is a lot of upside. And if you're looking at this even on the shortest terms, we do have lower highs at the moment. So if we wanted to pull down a little bit using the shorter term Fibonacci, you can see we can drop down to about $15 to $13 and still maintain a very healthy retracement, which would then swing us up to the $28 range on the shorter terms. That will also help this price break out of this consolidation range that we've been stuck in since about February of 2025. So once we can clear this range, which we're starting to test as an SR flip right now, if we break this to the top side, extremely bullish long term. And the all-time high for Chainlink currently is going to be right at about $52. I think we might have even tapped 53, just barely tapped it though one day. So I do think that's a pretty good shot, and I do think we have a great opportunity to get back to that range. If we did test the all-time high, I would expect to be seeing some sort of selling pressure at that point because people have been waiting basically 4 years, more than 4 years, to take profit from that point if they didn't take it back in 2021. But based on the Fibonacci retracement, and mind you, this is a little bit deeper for a bear market retracement that we'd want based on the Fibonacci, but at the end of the day, we did pull back in and we were able to maintain through the back end, and through 2024 and into 2025, we maintained the Epic Golden Pocket hold, which is basically this entire zone right here. And because we've held in the Epic Golden Pocket, it gives us a really good opportunity to get to take profit 3. And take profit 3 in this situation is going to be up at about $103, which from the current price of $17 is going to be just a little bit more than a 5x move to get to that TP3 point of $100. And I think a 5x move for a project with a really large market cap is definitely good. Now, obviously, it's not going to be a 50 or 100, which I know some people are trying to chase with meme coins. And that'll wrap up this video on Chainlink. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Hit that like button if you learned anything. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go check out the Epic Trading Floor if you want to learn my trading strategies. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you on the next video.